Imagine if your marketing campaigns could almost predict their own success. Sounds futuristic, right? But with artificial intelligence, this is actually becoming a reality. Hello everybody, I'm your host Nursu. And in this episode today, we're going to explore how AI is transforming marketing campaign optimization, turning vast data into actionable insights that drive real results. First things first, let's dive into the key metrics that AI tracks and how these insights lead to smarter decision making. The first key metric we're going to explore today is going to be CTR, aka click-through rates. CTR measures the percentage of people who click on your ad after seeing it. But AI goes beyond just tracking that number. It analyzes the elements that drive those clicks: headlines, images, and call to actions. Using natural language processing and computer vision, AI identifies which combinations resonate most with your audience, allowing you to optimize your ad creatives for maximum engagement. The second key metric we're going to cover today is conversions. Conversions track the percentage of users who complete a desired action, like making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. AI takes this further by mapping the entire customer journey across multiple touchpoints. Machine learning models analyze these interactions to identify the most effective pathways leading to conversions, helping you allocate your budget more effectively and personalize your marketing efforts for better outcomes. Our third key metric for today is customer engagement. Customer engagement actually looks at how your audience interacts with your content. So you guessed that right. It's basically about the likes, the comments, shares, and the time spent on your website. So AI enhances this by segmenting your audience based on behavior and preferences. Advanced clustering algorithms group your audience into distinct segments, allowing for highly targeted campaigns. Additionally, sentiment analysis gauges the emotional tone of interactions, providing deeper insights into brand perception and customer satisfaction. The true power of AI lies in synthesizing these metrics into actionable insights. Here's how. Predictive analytics. AI forecasts future trends and behaviors based on historical data, enabling proactive strategy adjustments. A/B testing optimization. AI accelerates A/B testing by quickly identifying the most effective campaign variations, ensuring you implement winning strategies a lot faster. Real-time adjustments. AI enables dynamic campaign tweaks based on real-time data, allowing you to respond swiftly to changes in performance. Personalization at scale. AI-driven personalization delivers customized content and offers to individual users, enhancing user experience and boosting conversion rates. And of course, understandably, you need to deliver or present all these ideas and insights clearly and effectively with some professional help. And that's exactly where Decktopus AI comes to your rescue. It streamlines your reporting process, transforming complex data into polished, professional presentation slides effortlessly. So if you're curious about how Decktopus AI can actually help you with your campaign reporting, please keep watching. Start off by gathering your campaign data from various sources like advertising platforms, website analytics, or social media insights. Log into your account at Decktopus AI and go to the Create with AI section. Here you'll be asked about your presentation topic, so try to be as specific as you can right at this point. After that, hit Let's Start. In the next step, you'll have various category options to choose for your presentation. Make your selection, and if you have a document to upload for extra personalization, this is your time to do so. But if you don't, you can simply proceed by clicking on Next. Our intuitive interface allows you to upload your data seamlessly in multiple formats. Now it's time to choose a template that matches your brand style. Decktopus AI offers a variety of professionally designed templates to enhance your data's visual appeal. Now, all you have to do is just sit back and wait a couple minutes while Decktopus crafts your presentation for you. When your deck is ready, customize your slides by adding detailed charts, summaries, and key takeaways that highlight your campaign's performance. As you can see, in just a few clicks, Decktopus AI transforms your raw data into comprehensive and data-driven reports with visual charts and detailed summaries. This saves you a great amount of time and ensures your presentations are clear and understandable, whether you're sharing insights with your team or presenting to stakeholders. At the end of the day, integrating AI into your marketing strategies revolutionizes the way you do marketing. and of course, how you analyze data and make decisions. With tools like Decktopus AI, you can effectively translate complex data into actionable insights, driving campaigns that are both efficient and highly effective. If you found this video helpful, make sure you tune in for the next episodes on which we're going to talk about optimizing your marketing strategies. Have questions or experiences with AI in marketing? Please make sure to drop them in the comments below because we'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you in the next episode.